surfing online, I was able to get in touch with this website called Workfromhomies.net. All right, and it's a remote job platform whereby you get jobs that you can work with remotely. And as you can see right here is the website. You can see daily job leads, work from home jobs, company always hiring remote, and all that. Now this is their website, and I'm gonna be talking about this website and the platform generally and what you should expect. My name is Maverick, and if this is your first time of being in this channel, I review make money online websites, and I also give reviews about courses. So if this is something that interests you, you might want to hit the red subscribe button to support this channel and encourage me to keep doing this the more. All right, so right here is this platform, and you can see they say welcome to the home of work from homies and blah blah blah. So what this website is about is that they upload jobs, okay, remote jobs that you can apply for, and you can use it to make money. All right, but the thing about them is that they are just like a networking platform, like more of a middleman stuff, whereby they just go out there to all these indeed.com and other platforms to, once they see a job, even though it's a legit job or not, they just grab it and paste it on their website. However, most of it might be legit, but by the time you even check out the job, you get to realize that it might have already been expired. All right, so and the way they are making money from this website is from adverts. If you can see, Google adverts popping up right on the screen. You can see these are adverts right here. These ones are adverts. You can see adverts. So this is the way they monetize. All right, so this is the way they monetize. All right, so now checking out this, if I should click on this, check out our daily job leads. So let's check that out. All right, so right here you can see they say here you find our daily job leads listed in order of dates posted on YouTube, and they also have the YouTube channel. So you can see, please note these jobs do feel quickly sometimes, so they may be expired when you click on the link. So that's the thing, like by the time you click on it, they already expired. All right, and you can see fresh leads on our YouTube channel. Click important type, Control F to search jobs and all that. So right there, um, although I'm recording this video early April, but you can see match YouTube job leads. And if you should just click on this one call cash associate or care coordinator, which is 16 to 25 bucks per hour. So you can see where it leads me to. Here's the website right here, career at one call. Yeah, but there is no assurance that you're even gonna be able to get this job. Okay, so let's check out another one. So let's check out this link here, customer service, $19 per hour. And after clicking on it, you can see that I landed here right here in indeed.com. You can see no matching job preferences. So the link here is the national blah blah blah. So I don't think the job is okay. I think it's still available, so you can apply. All right. So although there are a lot of people that come to this website to apply for jobs, so if you're lucky, all right, if you're lucky enough, you might be able to get a job. All right. So this is what these guys do. All right. And so this job I think is still available right here. You can apply. But by the time you're watching this video, it might be late already. But this is just for you to know that you can get jobs. Okay, here. Let's check out another one. All right. So if I should scroll down a little. Let's check out this hard vac. All right, so checking it out, you can see that the job has expired. All right, so this one is expired already on Indeed. So what these guys do is that they just go to platforms like Indeed. Majority of their jobs are majorly from Indeed.com. Okay, so they go there to search for jobs. Okay, and if there's anyone that is available, they post it on their website. It's kind of cool because it's also a way for them to make money from Google AdSense. Okay, so the way you see Google showing is ads showing up on their website. So that is how they make their own money. All right, so right here this job is expired already, so you can see that you cannot apply for this job. Okay, all right, but if you check the other one, the one of link here, this one, okay, so you can see customer service representative, this one is still available. All right, and you can apply and you might be lucky to get a job. All right, so that is just about this website. You can see they've listed a lot here, and the way they make money is from ads. Okay, it's from ads showing up on their website. So there is no cause for alarm with this. Okay, you can decide to just keep checking out the platform from time to time. Turn on their post notification and see if they post any jobs so that you can easily just apply. All right, so they have jobs there that are confirmed, although there are some jobs on Indeed that might have expired, but they'll forget to remove them. So, and also not every job on Indeed is what you can really wanna rely on. All right, the competition is much, so you have to know that. And that is my verdict about this. And also try as much as possible to have a little bit of qualifications, okay, or have expertise, have some skills that you can work with. All right, and these jobs are not is job for specific people. You can see we have customer care, different kind of jobs. So you might not actually find the job that you want right here on this platform. All right, so that is my own review about this. It's a legit platform, okay, which you can get jobs, but the competition is always very much. So I would suggest that you should still have several other websites out there that you can rely on for a job, and not only this website, workfromhomies.net. However, if you're looking for a way to make money online, and you want something that you can get started with and make money in an automated way, you can check the screen right now. You're gonna see a link there, or you can check the video description. It's an opportunity for you to, start making money online. I mean, a real business, not click something and get paid. It's a real business. Affiliate marketing. You can decide to learn affiliate marketing through that link, and that is what I do. You can decide to use it to start earning a living for yourself. I hope this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button, the like button, so that YouTube can promote this video to several other people. Thank you very much for your time, my friend. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.